Hey, welcome back to all the returning listeners, and hello to all the new ones. I don't know if any of you guys relate to this, but in the past few days, I had really been thinking about what is actually being free. Like, not just like living in a free country, but like being free from stuff that controls you. Let me elaborate it for you. When you are at a shop, you see something you have really wanted for a long time. You're happy until you see the price tag. That is like being controlled by money. There is also other forms like freedom of expression. Assume that you are in school and there's a big bully, and no, you cannot show your agitation or your oppose to that guy or whatever it is. You see something that is overpowering us. There's also something that I have been feeling recently, like I'm experiencing it, that being controlled by internet is also a thing. Everything we are addicted to controls us. Yeah, I guess that's the thing. Being addicted to Instagram and YouTube or anything else is a way your internet controls you. One more thing to keep in mind is that we can never be 100% free by things that control us. There are things that are too big for us to defeat, like there are government, there are some rules that are imposed by society. Like you cannot run free naked on the road. Yeah, you would have to take an L in that case. Yeah. But slowly, if we try one thing at a time, we can at least try to be more liberated. I mean, let's take in consideration by the example I took about money. Like you are controlled by money until you don't have enough, right? So maybe gaining, I don't know if I am giving this right or if I am providing the listeners with a wrong message, but like that's how I think and it's my opinion. But maybe gaining an abundance of money or at least enough money for our expenses is a way that money won't keep on controlling you. Like then you would be the one spending it and you won't have to look at price tags. Yeah, that in that way maybe we can be liberated. Then there's thing about the internet, like about Instagram, about YouTube. It's totally around self-discipline. I've been trying to gain control over that. It's really difficult, like when you are addicted to these socials. But I guess, once in a while when you start realizing what you are doing, observing yourself, like being self-aware, like what is getting wrong, is this right, or man, I'm spending too much time on this particular app, you start getting how should I say, awoke, or you wake up from the sleep that you are in. Like you see what the problem is, you see what you are being controlled and shit, and you start taking the right steps. And whenever I try to give up these things, it lasts about a day or two. But one thing I've seen is that around, at least in my case, when you have to make an habit, try to complete it in a week. Continue it for a week. May it be like doing exercise, or like me, staying off my socials. You give it up for a week, and when you come back, or whenever you come back, you see that it wasn't that interesting or that addicting once you have gained control over it. So anyway, I would try to keep these sessions a little longer from next time, but I guess this was all that was on my mind. Hope this was helpful, even though I don't think it was. Over and out.